Yeah, we are live. Mogus Bodycoding live. New footwork every day, remember? Well, this is the deal. You see, we do. No excuses. Are you ready to see? Today, cross, tap, 7. Let's go. Watch for yourself. Let's go. Pa, 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 ta, 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 ta. Amazing. Let's do it together. Remember, no excuses. I'll switch the cameras. Let's go and do it together. We can start with the left or with the right. Doesn't matter. Let's start with the left. We cross, we step. We cross, we tap. We cross, we step. We cross, we tap. Yeah, this is Suzi here. 1, 2, 3, and a tap. And now with the right. 1, 2, 3, and a tap. Now with full count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Amazing. Amazing. This was cross tap 7, and you can call that Suzi Q with an extra tap. Whoa. But either way, I want to remind you, these are universal moves, meaning you can use them in any style that you dance. Hip hop, Salsa, Bachata, Kizomba, Rumba, Samba, Samba, and many other styles that I don't even know about. Wait, you still here? Amazing. Let's do another practice. I have this feeling that you are the serious student, the one that gets serious results. So let's go. Let's do it again here in beautiful Iceland. Let's do it again. Now imagine yourself staring in the mirror. Yeah, we'll start with the left. Are you ready? Let's go. We cross, we step, we cross, we tap. Cross, step, cross, tap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Amazing. You can add rolling the shoulders. Try it with me. 1, 2, 3, back. 5, 6, 7, back. 1, 2, 3, back. 5, 6, 7, back. Yeah. Amazing. I'm clapping my hands and I don't even feel my fingers. It's not a real sun over there. It's 5 Celsius degrees here in Iceland. But why do you care? You have this video, right? Remember, no excuses. So, I urge you, in today's party, yes, in today's party, to do this move. Because remember, these are universal moves. You can do them in any style of dance that you want. By the way, in salsa, you can do it on 1 and on 2, because you can start with the left or with the right. Amazing or not amazing? Well, so in today's party, whatever party it is, go to the center and do the move. Yeah. And if you forget it, what happens? You can go to the side, take your phone and practice with me on the grass, or on the pavement, or in the bathroom, wherever, because there's no excuses. You still here? You know what? Because you're still here, I'll tell you a secret. You can practice with me this move, cross step 7, with me in the studio for free anytime you want. Yeah. How do you do that? Check the link above, below, or wherever it might be, and meet me on YouTube with a full tutorial. But what do you care? You have still this video, right? So use this video, hit the replay button, practice and do this move today. Why today? Because tomorrow there's new footwork. Marcus Body Coding Live. New footwork every day. So, meet you tomorrow for a new footwork. I think that's a good idea. So I'll be here again tomorrow with a new footwork. So see you tomorrow.